Hey, y'all. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Should I put y'all up here? No, that's too high. I got a mini verse. This is the thumbnail. Okay, let's open it. How do you open it? How you open it? How you open it? I'm still congested. Am I doing this right? I think this for kids. Only kids know how to open this. Oh. I was like, it's got to be a, does it say lift here? Am I going to have to get the scissors to get this open? Oh, no. Okay, the packaging is ridiculous. What if I did all of that and I got something stupid? What did I get? I wanted the plant. What did I get? I don't want this one. I wanted the plant. Is this in English? I don't think this is in English. Oh. This one is. Okay. Make it. Pot your plant by using the materials and step-by-step instruction card. This is the little pot. I got a cactus. And I only got one. They only gave me one cactus? I got cheated. What is this? a little shovel thing. What is this? The cactus dirt and perlite. Are they for real? I paid $10 for this. And all I got is, I didn't even get a terrarium. I got a little bit of dirt. Tweezers. I guess you get a little stand to put it on. Oh, they did me dirty. Bang. Yes. Look at this. In that little thing, I got a little fake plant and dirt and a little bitty whatchamajiggle. They did me dirty. I didn't even get a good one.
What are these? Sticker?
That's the ones the other ones that you can get.
Anything in there you can eat?
No, you can't eat this. Cuckoo.
See, you got a real plant?
No, it's not even a real plant, babe.
Womp womp.
I knew it wasn't a real plant, but I didn't know it was this cheap.
Womp womp.
This thing was $10. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna collect the rest of them. No, I'm not. Oh, they got me. I didn't drop the thing. They got me, y'all. I think this kinetic sand.
You weren't too thrilled about these $10.
I think you're supposed to put the perlite in there.
Huh?
You ain't the 50-day-old,
Hush.
who candy is that?
That's not candy.
What is that?
Oh, rusty burritos.
What rusty burrito? Out the freezer? Y'all, they got me. I don't believe I paid $10 for this. Who is out here paying $10 for this?
What's it called?
It's called the mini.
But isn't that what the didn't you say that's the...
It's the collector thing.
But isn't that supposed to be part of the charm?
This it.
Just give you a surprise.
Wait a minute. Let me dig in my little thing, cause
What's in
mine.
your Valentine candy?
Huh?
What's some Valentine candy?
How many did you get me?
Too many?
If you just bought me one, then no, I don't want it.
You got more than
If
one.
you bought me more than one,
You got more than one.
you bought me more than one. You was a good husband.
I'm always a good husband.
No, sometimes you're not. Sometimes you're not. He's not the best gift giver. Okay, this
You
is
know what?
this it, y'all. This it.
Want to see one of your gifts?
Not one of my gifts. One of my candies. This, I guess this supposed to be the table. I'm confused. I'm in confusion. Because, Lord, it keeps falling. Let me see which one did I get. My cactus won't stand up. Which one did I get? I got this one. And that's not the one I wanted. Okay, should we try again to see if we can get the fish? I wanted the birdhouse. The little bird. Or a terrarium. They got fish. I want a fish. Okay, we're going to try it again, y'all. We're going to try it one more time. We're going to try one more again to see if we can get the fish. Let me put some more of this perlite in there to see if it'll stand up. Because I can't get it to stand up. Oh. But I don't see where that little stand. Let me see. I don't see that little stand in there. Okay, we're gonna do this one more time. And see if we can was I supposed to add water? No. We're gonna do it one more time and see if we can get the fish. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this was really as fun as we thought it was gonna be. Oh Lord, here he comes. Oh, this chocolate. Oh, that's cute, huh? He said this one of my gifts.
That's one.
Oh, that's cute. I'm going to eat it. I'm going to open this. I got one of my presents. Since my little thing didn't turn out to be what I thought it was going to be. Because this ain't it. This is definitely not it, y'all. What is this thing called? Mini-verse? I'm going to keep it, though. I'm going to collect them. Little cactus. I'm going to collect them. I'm going to get a few more. We ain't going to give up on our first one. Okay? So, that's it, y'all. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm feeling better. It's not completely gone. But I am feeling better. So, I'm going to keep all the little... I didn't even use the little tweezers. I'm going to keep all the little extra stuff for my next project. See, he's still coughing too. What is it called? Mini-verse. I'll talk to you guys later. I love you. Bye.